3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know what they want. We just don't want any tire brand stick on them. Because it would be made. So we got it. Yeah, no, that's good. I'm excited to see this run. I remember seeing this paint job a little while ago.
Yeah, it's
so
getting better with age. Oh, trim stuff.
You're good.
There you go.
Yes, Steve. How's it going? Good. Not bad, man. Build, sir?
100% pretty much everything about it.
I think you guys J-Rock. Otherwise, when I would have given it up, I would be like,
I had the Hyrax.
yeah. Stock straight.
Yep.
Good to go.
Portal. Oh, I thought that's not much, man.
Good to see it. Good to see it.
What class would you recommend for me?
I think this one will be. You could run. Wait, for sure. Yeah, if you want to. Let's go. Stock, straight axle, stock portal, steel trail, and then maybe hit lunch. Oh yeah. I did the same thing.
Roadkill.
Chevy versus Jeep, let's go! Chevy versus Jeep, let's go! Jeep, no effort! Jeep wins! Hunter, press about 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Harder you think? It's usually like go that throttle.
Right there.
Oh yeah. That's
Two reverses.
There you go. Got it.
Yeah. Finally.
Yeah.
Yeah, warm them up that way. Follow forward. Right up the wall. Here you go. Nice.
we're gonna do ping pong. Chris won $70. And I'm throwing a t-shirt from Eliminator.
Oh, right on. I haven't got one yet.
What
was the time?
2 minutes and 2 seconds.
No, she just got
Second place, Hunter Phillips. $30. What do we draw next? We're gonna do, let's mix it up. Let's do Utter Butter. Tub of Utter Butter, the best RC grease in the world. Grease. 352.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's do the RTR. Okay, RTR Mini JRX2 Team Lossy, a lot of fun. Here we go. All right, that one was donated by Eliminator RC. Thank Eliminator when you get it, please. Winning number 343. Oh, he's just gonna sell it for $100. He's your first mark.
My language. Thank you, guys.
No problem, thank you.
Thanks, guys.